I might be there. I might be down there at the. I might be there. I might be down at the train yard.
We're gonna be all over the season working.
Just try to go.
Stay right there, okay?
All right. Here they come. Oh, this is about to be hell no. As soon as that train came up out, I just froze in a second.
Them guys know you.
They do. I always seen them.
Yeah, they know you. Shit, we going home now. Shit.
Yeah.
You done got